I am doing one Ford Galaxy and Ford Focus. This is a common problem. Airbag light is coming on. If you turn on this, you can see here this light, airbag light is come on and saying the passenger seat side safety belt sensor faulty. And if you can diagnose the car, then you can see here, the codes coming. B140D 13AF secondary row passenger side safety belt sensor. That's the common problem. So if you have the problem of this type of things, you have to come to us, and we are in Hounslow, and we can fix your problem in like 1 hour, and you can drop the car and we're gonna fix your car in couple of hours, like 1 hour, 1.5 hours. You can contact me anytime. My phone number is 0740 2536382, and we are in Hounslow. You can see my other videos. You have any problem, then you can contact through WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye.